Welcome. So in this video we're going to be taking another look at an example of the use of the chain rule. So we've been given this problem here, 8 times cosine 7 to the x. Now the important thing first to recognise about that is that this is the same as this. So what that 7 there means, it means cosine x times cosine x times cosine x times cosine x, so on, till you've done 7. So for example, if it was 2, it'd be squared. That's all it means. Okay, let's have a look then. So having realised that, it makes it quite straightforward, to be honest, and we're going to use a chain rule. So we're going to say, what are we going to let u equal? If we're using u as our substitute, we're going to let u equal the stuff inside the bracket. So let u equal cosine x. And you can see it's fairly straightforward after this. So that means that, let's just remove that out my way. So let u equal that. So that now means that y now equals 8u to the 7. And if you remember the formula for chain rule, it's the derivative of this times the derivative of that. So the derivative of this, dy du, wherever you use the variable, is simply 7 times 8. So there's 56 u, and then take 1 from the power, so the usual thing. And derivative of this, du dx is simply minus sine x. Okay, so they're two simple ones to do. Okay, so I'll bring them together as the formula says. So we've now got 56u6 times, I'm going to put this in brackets because of the minus sign, so it doesn't look like a subtract. Okay. And then one final step, substitute back in for u equals that, so we've got 56, substituting in for u is cosine x times minus sine x. Okay, I've missed out that 6 there. And then tidy that up if you wish. So I'd bring that minus sign to the front. In fact, I'm going to bring all of that to the front. So I'll get minus 56 sine x times cosine to the power of 6. I'll put it back in there. Whichever way you want to do, it's perfectly fine. And that's it, it's completed. So it's fairly straightforward as soon as you recognise that that means that. That's the only difficult part, and the rest is easy, it just falls out. So thank you.